Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out your Facebook account on mobile phone. So first you need to open Facebook app. Now in your Facebook app, press on these three lines. Now here in menu, drag it little down and in bottom you will find option of logout. Now after logout you need to remove this account also. So press on this three dot and press on remove account from device. So friend, like this you can very easily remove your Facebook account from your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.